Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable segmenting customers in Omnisend for US campaigns step by step clearly. First, log into your Omnisend account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Audience tab located on the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of your contacts. To create a segment, click on the Segments option. Now, click on the Create Segment button. You'll be prompted to set the segment conditions. Choose the criteria you want to use for segmenting your customers. For example, select location to target customers based in the United States. Next, specify the condition by selecting Is in and then input United States. You can add additional conditions if needed. To do this, click on Add Condition and choose from various filters. For example, you might want a segment based on purchase history or engagement level. Once you have defined the criteria, give your segment a name. This will help you easily identify it later. After naming the segment, click on Save Segment. Your segment will now appear in the list of segments. To use your newly created segment in a campaign, go to the Campaigns tab. Start by creating a new campaign or editing an existing one. When you reach the audience selection step, choose Segments. From the list, select the segment you just created. Once your segment is selected, proceed with the rest of your campaign setup. Finalize your content, then review the settings and schedule or send your campaign. Now you have successfully enabled segmenting customers in Omnisend for US campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.